Imagine walking into a home where the first impression instantly feels like luxury, elegance, and modern perfection. This is exactly what these stunning outdoor wall and garden designs deliver. From sleek boundary walls to warm ambient lighting and perfectly arranged greenery, every element you see in this video is designed to transform an ordinary exterior into a breathtaking visual experience. These modern outdoor designs are not just about walls. They are about creating a complete lifestyle statement. Clean white pillars, horizontal wooden panels, and stylish black metal accents come together to create a balanced and contemporary look that feels both premium and inviting. The addition of vertical lighting strips enhances the architectural beauty, especially during the evening, giving your home a rich and sophisticated glow. One of the most eye-catching features in these designs is the clever use of lighting. Soft, warm lights placed strategically along the walls, pillars, and garden beds highlight textures and shapes, making the entire space come alive at night. This is not just decoration, it's a smart design technique that increases the visual value of your home without major structural changes. The landscaping in these designs plays an equally important role. Neatly arranged plants, palm trees, and trimmed bushes create a fresh and vibrant atmosphere. The use of white stones in planter boxes adds contrast and gives a clean, minimal finish that perfectly complements the modern theme. This combination of greenery and structure creates a peaceful yet luxurious outdoor environment. Another standout aspect is the integration of pathways and entrance design. Stepping stones set in green grass, along with stylish gate designs, create a welcoming entry that feels both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The mix of natural and modern materials ensures that the space feels warm rather than overly rigid or artificial. These outdoor wall and garden ideas are perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their home exterior. Whether you have a small space or a large front yard, the concepts shown here can be adapted easily. Simple additions like wall lights, textured panels, or organized plant beds can dramatically improve the overall look without requiring a huge budget. What makes these designs truly special is their balance. Nothing feels overdone, yet everything stands out. The harmony between color, lighting, materials, and plants creates a timeless appeal that won't go out of style. This is the kind of design that not only impresses guests but also gives you daily satisfaction every time you step outside. If you are planning to renovate your home exterior or just looking for fresh inspiration, this video will give you practical and stylish ideas that you can actually implement. From boundary wall concepts to full outdoor decoration setups, you will find a complete guide to modern exterior beauty right here. Watch till the end and discover how small design choices can create a big impact. Turning your outdoor space into a luxurious and relaxing area that reflects your personal style and taste.